how you can log into your United Airlines account. Before we begin the video, make sure to hit like on the video and subscribe to the channel for more informative content like this. Alright, so first thing you want to make sure is that you have your browser open and then search for United Airlines. Once you search for it, the official website of United Airlines will be shown, and you just click on the link. Now this will open up the official website, and from here you can sign into your account. If you don't have an account, you can join, or if you already have an account, you can easily log in from here. So just enter your email address, and once you enter your email address, click on continue. Or if you have not if you don't use your email, you can use your MyList Plus number as well. So if you don't have that, you can create your MyList Plus account, and after you do that, you should be able to log into your United Airlines account. I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.